What is up, guys? Mulletmore here. I know I haven't done a video in ages, but I'm currently at our jumps and pretty much everything got washed away from huge rain that we have. Like, this is a really low spot. Anyway, it just got completely flooded. And today I'm going to be rebuilding this berm. This berm used to be probably maybe another 30 centimeters taller. And I'm going to try to make it like a meter taller, 1 meter tall. Alright, so I just finished packing the berm and it's looking pretty good. It's probably about maybe 5-6 meters long. It's not as high as I wanted it, but it's pretty good.